PiCon V 2026, we have gathered all of our professionals from across the country from multiple brands.
This is our 5th annual meeting as a Pi Corp, and we're welcome you here.
3 days, 1 event, bringing together professionals from across the country under Pi Corp. Day 1 and 2 focused on conference sessions with speakers, panels, and discussions around sales, management, and growth. Different teams, different roles, all in one space, sharing insights, aligning, and learning from each other. By day 3, it moved into workshops, more interactive, more hands-on, with smaller groups and direct collaboration. And it all wrapped up with a gala, bringing everyone together to close out the experience. PiCon V 2026, another year of connection, alignment, and shared direction.